Hello guys! Welcome to the first lesson of the course LinkedIn Marketing Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what LinkedIn is. LinkedIn was founded on December 28, 2002 by Reid Hoffman. The site officially launched on May 5, 2003. In August 2004, LinkedIn reached its first million subscribers. It was only in March 2006 that LinkedIn became profitable. In February 2008, LinkedIn made it possible to access its platform on mobile phones. It was in January 2011 that LinkedIn opened its doors for an initial public offering. Microsoft purchased LinkedIn back in December 2016 for $26.4 billion, and it's considered as Microsoft's most expensive acquisition. Since then, LinkedIn had over 600 million members all over the world. First, let's talk about what is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social media network that is built for professionals like job seekers, business owners, professionals who are marketing their skills or business online. It is not Facebook, so you don't interact with your family and friends on LinkedIn. What you can do instead is build your social network. You are going to connect with your colleagues or with the professionals you have worked with earlier, people you are working with today, and people you can work with in the future. So LinkedIn is a great way to build a personal brand for yourself, for your company, creating new connections for future career or business opportunities, partnerships, and customers. LinkedIn has emerged as one of the most popular social media networking sites today. Back when they had just started, people did not approve of its features of separating the personal to the professional side of an individual. People are too caught up with the idea that social media is about connecting with people, sharing their personal lives. Today, LinkedIn has been the premier platform for professional communication and career seekers to connect with people online. It might even replace job agencies, since it is mostly used nowadays by companies helping employers find the right candidate for their job vacancies. LinkedIn has also helped many small businesses to connect with new and old customers to update them with the latest news of their business. Now you know what LinkedIn is, we can now proceed to the next topic of comparing LinkedIn with other social media platforms today, which is Facebook and Twitter. See you there! Hi guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the difference between LinkedIn with Facebook and Twitter. Social media platforms today have different purposes and features. Some are available to one and some are not. You must be aware that each one may be approached differently from one another. Let's talk about Facebook and Twitter and see how it's different from LinkedIn. Facebook is one of the top popular social media platforms in business and mostly personal branding. Anyone can make a Facebook profile to share photos, their stories, and their social life to anyone who is included in their friends list. People who follow you can engage through likes, comments, or shares, while LinkedIn is a social network for business and not for personal engagements with family and friends. You use LinkedIn for connecting with your colleagues related to your professional career. You also maintain your professional status in your LinkedIn profile. In Facebook groups, people share their personal opinions and they do not mind if these are negative or positive opinions about any topic. In LinkedIn groups, people maintain a professional and positive work-related opinions and experiences in their engagements. Both Facebook and LinkedIn have advertisements. In Facebook, your target market is larger than in LinkedIn because there are more users who use Facebook, which is 2 billion, than in LinkedIn, which is 600 million. You can use LinkedIn for a professional and targeted lead generation, while you can use Facebook for consumer brand awareness and engagement. Now let's talk about Twitter. Twitter is a great platform for broadcasting interesting topics or news that anyone can see and you can follow anyone you want. It allows only 280 characters as tweets. You have to make the most out of a short catchy tweet so that people will retweet, engage, and follow you. In your profile, you can use a tagline that describes who you are and what your brand is. LinkedIn is the platform for showing your expertise and connecting with other business professionals related to your career. You cannot follow anyone you want. You need to know someone professionally before they can accept and connect with you. In your profile, you make use of your headline and a description of who you are, what you do, and who your previous clients were. Your profile is your social proof and must be tailored like an improved resume. Connecting with people. In Twitter, you can search for and connect easily with people who might be your target market using hashtags, especially if these people are not aware that your product or service exists. You just need to look at what hashtags these people use. It might also show what their interests are. You may even search for your competitors and might stumble into bad reviews of their customers, and that is your opportunity to engage and offer a service that might help with their problem. Doing so will help you increase the number of your contacts and future customers as well. In LinkedIn, you may also use hashtags for targeting and searching for people who use them. You can post more than 280 characters to create valuable content. Using hashtags in your post will help your content reach more audience. Your goal is to make people engage, and after that, you can build a connection with them and make a personal invitation before you connect. Also, to send a message to someone outside your network, you have to pay for the premium account. Getting leads. Twitter has Twitter lists, and users have the ability to organize a group of Twitter users based on interests, industry, and friends. It's also a way of collecting leads. LinkedIn has groups where you can meet new people with the same interest and post content that is engaging with these groups, thus landing your target market from there. Now you know the difference of LinkedIn with Facebook and Twitter. We can now proceed to the next topic. What can you use LinkedIn for? See you there! Hi guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about what you can use LinkedIn for. LinkedIn can be used to create new connections and expand your professional network. You can search for the people you know in your professional career and connect with them. They could be your colleagues you have worked with and your employer. LinkedIn can be used by professionals to look for a job. Job seekers can optimize their LinkedIn profile and showcase their skills or credentials to attract potential employers. Your professional connections can endorse the skills that you include in your profile by using the job section that match their expertise. From there, they can apply for the job posting and submit their resume and cover letter. Companies can create their profile to show what they can offer, connect with potential business partners, and find a suitable applicant for their career opportunities. They can post a job in the job section of LinkedIn and attract more applicants to apply in their job post. Also, using the advanced search tools, recruiters can find a good match of potential candidates to their specific keywords related to the job position. Business owners can use LinkedIn to help them promote their products or services through their business page. Building a good profile for your business page is as important as building a good profile for your personal LinkedIn account. You must create valuable content that is engaging with potential customers. Doing so will gain their trust with your brand and allow you to connect with them. You can join groups on LinkedIn with members having similar fields of expertise, job, skills, and discuss topics that could engage everyone in the group. It helps everyone as they learn from each other's advice and sharing of experience. You can learn about the latest news and updates of the business world in LinkedIn. You can read and comment on the articles posted in this section. To sum up, you may use LinkedIn if you are expanding your professional network connection, transitioning to a new career, looking for new employees, looking for career advice from similar professionals, promoting your products or services, or gaining access to the latest business news.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.